Wood. It is everywhere. It's in our cars, it's made out of our drawers, it's our doors, it's in our chopping boards, it's even in our guitars. But what is wood? Where does it come from? And where does it rank on the ever-growing list of things? To understand wood, you've first got to understand trees. So wood comes from trees. We chop the trees down, then we extract the fibres and materials, and then we use those things to make like cars and stuff. We're going to get to reviewing wood in a second, but first, here's some interesting facts about wood. Woodworking has been a part of society for many years. Two ancient civilizations that practiced woodworking were the Egyptians and the Chinese. A typical household wood burner burns at around 600 degrees, but a bonfire can burn up to 1,100. Wood is possibly 400 million years old. There are more than 23,000 kinds of trees. In 1859, Hungarian scientist Mitz Vangelmeer became the first person to wear a full suit of wooden armour before burning to death at a family barbecue. So now it's time to review some wood. So guys, you can use whatever wood you want if you want to review your own wood. I'm just using what I've got in the house, so I'm going to be using a door. This is the door to my office. So I'm just going to see how the wood smells. This doesn't really smell like anything. Oh. So I'm not really sure what categories I can review this in. So we've seen how it feels. Feels alright. Smells cool. It's kind of strong, but I guess you can see this. It's not really that strong, and also my cat has made some serious marks in the door, so wood's actually kind of weak. Well, I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We'll see how it works with sound. We'll see how it cooperates with sound. Yeah, it's okay. It's absorbing the sound. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's alright. Yep, so overall it's Oh no. Just got a splinter, I think. Oh, that's not cool. Ow. Yeah, it's gonna score it some points down. So it's time to review wood. This is a resource review, and we're going to be splitting it into three categories. Number one, strength. Yeah, it's pretty strong. It's not really that strong though, because it has been chipped a lot. It breaks easily. And you think about it, when people make stuff out of wood, they're always cutting it and sawing it and stuff, filing it down. So it isn't that strong. So yeah, I think we're going to score it a 1 on strength. Sound. Well, the sound of the wood was alright. My sound soaked into it. It didn't shout back or anything like that. Anything like that. It just kind of soaked up the sound. So I guess sound we're going to go over 10. Feel of the wood. Well, it felt alright, but then it gave me a splinter towards the end. I don't know if you remember that, guys, but I'm afraid for feel we're gonna have to score it down with maybe a 1. So there you go, a very polarizing review. We have a 1, a 10, and a 1, which kind of leaves us in a bit of a difficult situation here at Imperium Reviews. We're gonna have to give it a 4.